The GGTE E26 Sub-Zero bulb is a simple replacement for your refrigerator light. It's designed to fit Sub-Zero refrigerators, specifically those that use the 7,006,999 glass lamp. This bulb provides a soft, blue light. It's a 40W, 120-volt bulb. Installation is easy. You simply screw it into the E26 socket. The light helps you see the food inside your refrigerator. It's a basic product, but it does its job. It helps you control what you see inside your fridge. Some might think about the energy it consumes, but it is a standard 40-watt bulb. It's meant to illuminate the interior surface of your refrigerator. This GGTE E26 Sub-Zero bulb is a direct replacement. You don't need a special kit or converter. It fits right in. The blue light is a bit different than standard white light. It gives a cooler feel. It's not a star product, but it's functional. If your old bulb is broken, this is a good replacement. The glass is standard, and it does not feel overly fragile. It helps you see your produce and other items clearly. It's a simple solution for a common problem. It does not have any special air purification or lock features. It's purely for lighting. For anyone who needs a replacement bulb, the GGTE E26 Sub-Zero bulb is a decent option. It's not fancy. It just works. It helps with the basic relations of seeing what you have inside your refrigerator. It is a simple light source. It does not generate any excessive heat. This bulb is a straightforward way to fix your refrigerator's lighting. It does not require any special thoughts or complicated steps. It is designed to be a direct and easy replacement. It is a simple light. Pros: easy to order, fits perfectly, quick delivery, good for refrigerator, bright, cool to the touch, great upgrade, modern look, well made, packed well, as advertised, satisfied. Cons: only lasted 5 days, ripoff. Light is way too yellow, burned out within 3 months, not for freezer. Too warm color, expensive, short life, color issue, quality problem. Features: brand, GGTE, color, blue, type, refrigerator bulb, socket, E26 compatibility, Sub-Zero, model, 7,006,999 replacement, material, glass, wattage, 40W, voltage, 120V, quantity. 1. This is a single GGTE blue refrigerator light bulb, designed as a replacement for Sub-Zero model 7,006,999. It uses a standard E26 socket, like a regular light bulb, and is made of glass. It runs on 120 volts and uses 40 watts of power to produce a blue light inside your refrigerator. The GGTE blue refrigerator light bulbs, designed as replacements for Sub-Zero models, received mixed reviews. Many customers found them easy to install, bright, and a good fit for their refrigerators, appreciating the quick delivery and modern look. However, there were significant complaints about the bulb's short lifespan, with some burning out quickly or lasting only a few days. Others noted the light's yellow tint and that it wasn't suitable for freezers. Some felt the bulbs were overpriced for the quality they received.